nature is eternal. It is immortal. It will live as long as a planet that it develops on. Look at this tree. Seems to be dead, but is it really dead? Look what is on the tree. Although it's winter, this is very alive. And also the fungi, and within a month or two the branches will be green. So is this tree dead or it's alive? Well, it's because we don't understand that life is a cycle created by both death and birth. It's death that creates birth, and it's birth that creates death. Eternal cycle. So nature is like this. It is eternal because it's supported by this eternal death, birth cycle, which is called life.